Hey everybody, it's Dr. A back in the garden again. Can't keep me out of it, it seems, and I just want to show you this really, I think cute isn't the right word, but a lovely plant that fits in rock gardens, fits in landscapes, as you can see that I have here, and associated with other plants. And it works in full sun or even a little bit of shade. This is sea thrift, otherwise known as Armeria. And I'm looking at a multicolored group here. You can see the kind of the red here. There's some whites and pinks. This is called the Ballerina series. I really like it because it's easy. It's called sea thrift because it tolerates salt, so it's really good on the coast. Tolerates some heat. You know, it's not going to go down into Miami, but it does very, very well in many parts of the country. So Armeria, sea thrift, easy plant to grow, easy plant to maintain, put in the ground and get out of the way, as they say. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. This is Dr. A saying see you soon.